Good morning, my little minky moos. How are you all doing today? Well, it's about 6 to 8 in the morning. I've been up about an hour, sticking bales onto glass, so my fingers are filthy already. Had a cup of tea. Right, today is Sunday. And today, whoever is subscribed, I didn't know this, but if you're a subscriber, you can leave a comment. If you're not a subscriber, you can't leave a comment. I didn't know that. My girlfriend just told me. So look, if you're a subscriber, leave a comment and tell me what coin ring you would like, because this is going to be the freebie. Don't take the piss. It's not going to be a silver one or anything like that. Just a normal, coin. You can choose American coin, Finnish coin, English coin, blah, blah, blah. So comment which coin you'd like. You're going to have to get your ring size from somewhere. You can go to a jeweller's shop or something like that. So that's it. So leave a comment what coin you'd like, and you'll be in the draw. And we'll put all the things in a hat, and I'll pick one out in front of you. So, okay. Enough of the old chit-chat. Today, my girlfriend said I need to do another one of these, because I did a video a little while ago, and sometimes the videos come out, the narrow ones. I still film it. It look on the monitor. It's looked great, but sometimes they come out wrong. I don't know why. It's probably my fault. So we're going to do this Sherlock Holmes 50p. Right. God, I'm shagged out. If you're in America, that means I'm tired, very tired. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha. Hey, there's Santa. And let's punch a hole in this puppy. I mean, obviously you won't get the, well, I wouldn't have thought you'd get the ring till after Christmas. Because I'll give it a few days for people to leave a comment. I'll tell you what, we'll do the draw next Sunday. Yeah, next Sunday we'll do the draw. I don't know about doing this sort of thing. I've never done it before, so I did it once at the very beginning. But then I think I only had about 10 subscribers. Right. Oh my God. Where is... I've stolen the container for glass, so this just have to go on my table. There's so much crap on this table anyway, it doesn't really matter. I'll be glad when this Christmas market's over. Yesterday was really good day. So you sit there for, well, I don't know, an hour or two, nothing happens. It sort of comes in waves, and all of a sudden there's loads of people trying to buy at the same time. But yeah, I enjoyed it yesterday. It was a good laugh, good fun. I love having a crack with the punters, I always shake their hands, and they the Finns aren't sort of used to that. I'm not there for the money, I'm there for the crack, It's good fun. Right, 150p. That's been deburred by Christy Burr. Well, so far, everything's on the table that I need. What's my little... I don't know. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed and you want to be in for a free ring, hit that subscribe button. So leave a comment and just tell me what ring you'd like. And then if you know your ring size, put that in as well. If not, after the draw, you can go and get your finger sized. Get your ring sized. Yeah, go and get your ring size, guys and girls. Oh dear, bloody crazy, man. Right, let's dry it off a bit. Yeah, I'm actually totally wiped out at the moment, but it's fun, you know. Like they say, sleep when you're dead. This will be sunny side up. That goes face down. I'll have to use 2 dyes on this one because let's go over to Big Red. Big Bad Red. And there's Santa. Right. Cone, there it is. So, Bear, you liked your fridge magnet, did you? I thought you might. Yeah, I sell a lot of them on the market at Christmas. I think Bear has been with me for... He was one of the early guys to subscribe to my channel. There's a few of you there. I know you are. Right. Sandy the sandpaper disappeared a couple of days ago. So we'll use a nail file. I made a load of dichroic hearts. I've got to grind this all now, make it more shape of a heart, and then put it in the kiln again. Anyway, enough of that cat shit. Right, there you go. Let's go over to the one and only spike. Why some of these videos come out the wrong size, I don't know. Use a kitchen roll to keep the detail on the inside. God, this is get hard. The force is strong in this one. Yes, the force is strong in this coin. Oh shit. More glass. Sorry about this, guys. Stop the world, I want to get off. Yeah. Jesus wept. Why is it so much of a bugger? Let's give it a bit more love with Bernie. I mean, God knows where I'm doing the Christmas shopping. Because I'm working there till the 23rd of December. And they want us there till 8 o'clock of the night. I mean, God almighty. So that's why I like being my own boss. Well, I am now, really, but... You know, you sort of sign this contract to be in a shopping centre. Of course, they want it to be open. Which is fair enough, I suppose. But everybody's moaning about it. We don't start, it doesn't open, we don't open till 10. But Jesus, we're at 10 till 8. That's why I hate the system. I've always hated the system. You know, when I was an electrician, like normal, when I was sort of a young guy. Paul, dinner's from 12 till 1. Not 10 to 12 till, I mean, come on. Yeah, screw the system, guys. I put that the wrong way around. Stupid boy. Yeah, the force is strong in this coin. Guess what was on the telly last night in Finland? good it is. Oh. Right. Now, we want to straighten up them walls. So, right. Will it fit in here? Yeah. Yeah, Dan, if you're watching, your question about my dies and that. I find I like to try and use a 17-degree die, oops, lazy, that I fold the coin with. I don't know, I just still find it a bit easier. You're halfway there. In fact, the walls look pretty bloody straight to me. Something white, there you go. Maybe a touch more. So Dan, you sort of start, well no, that's, this is halfway. I also find it's easier on the handle because you're already halfway down, you can get more of a purchase on it. Do you know what I mean? That is halfway down. And I find the handle comes down nicely and you can get more power into it. But that's just me. I mean, I suppose everybody does things differently. Now that's pretty damn sexy, I think. What do you think, guys? Yeah. Right. Where is Dave the Dremel? Yeah, I think it's time to change. Kate's looking really sad. We'll use a new one. Right, that's that. Kate Bush's twin. So this is going to be the Edwin look again. I do clear coat my rings, but not until I've sold them. Because if you wanted this resized, then you're going to win a clear coat. So don't forget, there's the free draw, the free ring sketch. So you've got to be subscribed. Well, to leave a comment, you've got to be subscribed, which is new to me. I'm not into this YouTube game really. I don't know what, you know, what you can do and what you can't do. But leave a comment, and all you've got to say is what coin you'd like me to turn into a ring for you. And I'll do the draw next Saturday. How's that? Does that sound fair? I suppose I could do the ring during the Christmas holidays, maybe, you know. Something for you to watch. I suppose the movie at Christmas in Finland would be Die Hard. It's a bloody good movie, though. But last year they weren't going to put it on and all the Finns went crazy, so they, like in England, it's The Great Escape. What's the movie in America that they watch at Christmas? There's always one, isn't there? Everybody wants to see. Right, guys and girls, there you go. The state of my nail. That's what making glass does to you. But it's come out really good. That's why you use the kitchen roll. That protects the inside of the coin. And on the inside it says stop mucking about and hit the subscribe button. And on this side, if it was to focus, it says hit that like button. Yeah, I like this. I love the 50p, they're my favourite. Does it fit me? No. Bit tight. What size have we got? We'll have to go to the Yankee Doodle size mandrel, because you can't see Jack on. This is a 9 or a 10, 10.5. There's no lip on the inside. So guys, thanks for watching. Sorry about missing videos, but I just can't keep doing it at the moment. Have a great day, and I'll catch you tomorrow hopefully. Take it easy. Tell me bye bye.